In this video, let's understand interface of Power BI desktop. Let's begin. On my desktop, I have installed Power BI desktop. So I will just double click on the Power BI desktop. It will launch the Power BI desktop on my system. Once the Power BI desktop is opened, it will be showing this screen. So here you see this is the home screen. This is showing the open like existing reports. So there is a sign in option also there. So we have here data sources, like we can create the blank report, one lake data hub. We can extract data from the, Excel workbook or SQL server, so many other. So I will just click on the blank report so that we can understand the interface. So if you see, this is the top ribbon workbench where we will see file, so home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. So based on this selection, the below content will change. So if you go to the insert, this will change. So also if you see, this is the report view. So whatever we are seeing this content, so it is report view. So if you change to table view, so whatever the data or table we insert, that will be visible in this pane. So also we have model view. So we can create a relationship between the one or more table. So that's how like we can build the model out of it. So that is about this pane. So also if we have a DAX query view, so we can write some code in that one. Going back to the report view, so if you see the report view, in the report view, so in the right side we have these three panes. So filter panes, visualizations pane, and data pane. So whatever the data, like for example, if you have the date table as a data, so whatever the field inside the table are all visible in this section, in this pane. So also visualization. So for example, these are the charts we will be having. These charts will be how we can insert on the canvas. This is the canvas thing. So whatever the charts we require, we will be clicking on that and providing the data, and we will be applying some filters. If you click on the file, if you see, there is a save option and save as option, get data. So get data will be getting the data from our system. So also we can import it, any reports already we have, means we can import the existing files, and we can export the report also. And in the home we have this thing, get data. So once we click on this get data, like we can get the data from Excel workbook, Power BI semantic models, data flows, Dataverse, SQL server, analysis services, and many more. This is all about the interface of the Power BI desktop. Thank you.